Hey guys, welcome back to Basically Joyful. I'm Rachel. Today I'm going to show you a color that I never thought I would have fallen in love with, and I have. So typically when I'm getting dressed up and dolled up and ready to go out, I go for a bold color because I just love bold colors, especially for a night out. But I found this color and fell in love. So stay tuned to see more as I put on Kiss Me Katie. As always, we're gonna do 3 light layers. You're gonna wanna shake up your LipSense and make sure you're applying your LipSense to clean, dry lips so that you get the longest wear time out of it. After you've applied all 3 layers of your LipSense, then it's time to go in with your Glossy Gloss. Our Glossy Gloss is made of shea butter and vitamin E, and it really helps to moisturize your lips as you get the longest wear out of your LipSense. I always try to make sure I reapply my Glossy Gloss right before I eat or drink, just so that I'm protecting the color that's on my lips. Doesn't come off. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out my video today on how to apply Kiss Me Katie LipSense. Make sure you check out other videos and subscribe to our channel to see more. Does anyone have a brush fetish like me? Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you can check out the next video, which is all about makeup brushes.